Hi students, today we are going to see vector triple product. That is very easy one formula, that is 5 mark question. First one is A vector cross B vector cross C vector. A dot C vector into B vector minus B dot C vector into A vector. Second one is A vector dot C vector into B vector. Next one is A dot B vector into C vector. Exercise 6.3, fourth question. If A vector is equal to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap, comma, B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 2 k cap, comma, C vector is equal to minus I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Verify that first one is A vector cross B vector cross C vector equal to A vector dot C vector into B vector minus B vector dot C vector into A vector. Second one is A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to A vector dot C vector into B vector minus A vector dot B vector into C vector. First we want to solve this first one. To find left hand side, that is this. First one is A vector cross B vector. Already we know that the determinant 1, that is write I cap, j cap, k cap, then write down the coefficient of I, j, k, first in A, second in B. Then we use the T method. Already we know that in matrix done determinant I cap into this minus j cap into this plus k cap into this T method. Then solve, we get 11 I cap minus 7 j cap plus k cap. Then find out the left hand side, that is A vector cross B vector cross C vector. Already we know that the determinant method. Write down I cap, j cap, k cap, then write A cross B vector, then write C vector. Then solve T method, we get minus 19 I cap minus 34 j cap minus 29 k cap. That is equation number 1, that is our left hand side. Second one is to find right hand side, that is A dot C vector, B dot C vector. Dot product, already we know that dot product I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot k1, because they are unit vectors. Therefore, we get the answer minus 11. Similarly, we find B vector dot C vector, we get the answer minus 7. Therefore, the right hand side A dot C B vector minus B vector dot C vector A vector, substitute the values, then multiply 1 by 1, then solve I cap, j cap, k cap. Therefore, we get minus 19 I cap minus 34 j cap minus 29 k cap. That is equation number 2. That is our right hand side. From 1 and 2, the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. The second one is your homework.